You can throw a snowball at me, man. That'll make you happy.
I know.
That is a good snowball.
Bad day to wear mascara, am I right? I'll help you with your female fans.
Keep that in, keep that in.
2.
2, there we go.
If I take back my consent to be in the video.
Okay, I'll blur you out.
9.
Oh my gosh, I'm an angel.
Yes, sir.
It's snowing outside again, so I have a companion. My daughter's gonna run with me.
Hi.
Just open it up.
I'm not finished. Go.
Oh, it is windy. You can throw a snowball at me, man. That'll make you happy. That is a good snowball.
No, speed it up when we run like this. This is the first big snow of December, and we're supposed to get 5 to 10 inches, and we're running through the snow. It's so hard to see.
And this is.
Goggles.
You should have worn goggles. I told you to wear the goggles.
Yeah. You look at this guy and you're like, to be a runner I have to wear all this expensive stuff. No sir, old sweatshirt, sweatpants, just a natural girl against the elements.
Against the elements.
2.
2, there we go.
Oh, we're not doing this. I won't change myself for the camera.
Foot slippage. Now we gotta go on the other side.
Stop.
You gotta keep the view fresh, you know?
Yeah. Dad, look, the Christmas tree.
Look at closer.
Yeah.
Are we turning? Hey guys, this is the view. My hand's gonna be so shaky. These white lights.
Why do you have a snowball? We're ready to go.
Christmas. Oh, we're not. We gotta wait. Nope. This is actually pretty easy.
This is surreal, Bianca. Look at the geese now.
Never freezes. And so they still have some energy going to it so that the water will freeze with the geese.
It's definitely harder to run and like complete the full foot stroke because you have to put more energy when it's slippery.
That's on Dave's toe.
You're gonna be running 11-minute miles.
Yeah, definitely. Safety is important.
I'm not running this weather alone. 6, 5 inch dad by my side.
Oh my gosh.
And it was only like 1 inch before we started this.
Oh,
Now go do it.
get yours?
No. Good run.
Good run. Time to cool off.
Now let's see how deep the snow is.
Oh my, get out. Oh my gosh, I'm an angel. Alright, come on, let's get it. Woo! We did it.
Yes, sir.
Around the
Oh. Yes, sir.
Oh, got me again.